What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos. Day number 7. Snow's pretty much gone, and it's actually not that bad out right now. Yeah, people look at me weird when I'm walking on the street talking to a camera, so it's kind of funny. Fuck them. Anyways, it's not that bad. It's about +1 with a -11 wind chill, so yeah, the wind is cold. I'm hoping being in the shop with no wind should make it nice and warm. With the sun beating down on it, should be nice and warm in there today. So I'm gonna head home here. There's a truck over here. It's pretty sick. Little short box. So, anyways, I'm gonna head home, have a coffee, and just warm up a bit because it's chilly. My phone's actually starting to frost up. It's kind of funny. But check this out. Look at that. Just look how beautiful it is. That's the glorious of life right there. What a great day to be alive, everybody. You know, a fella is in great spirits. My kids are in great spirits. Had a really good chat yesterday. Well, the last little while here with a long lost friend. And it's just been amazing. So, yeah. Look at all that. The snow is pretty much gone. But anyways, my hand is freezing. And I'll see you guys in the shop. Okay, guys. Ready to go work on the quad now. Oh, sorry about the sun. Look at that. Just far cry from yesterday, hey? November 7th, and it's absolutely gorgeous out. Still got a little bit of snow on the side of the shop there, but no, it's not a big deal at all. Pretty crazy considering, which is good for us because that means I can close this up. There's like literally no wind. You see that? And I'm dressed all warm. I got my winter pants on, my ski pants on, and my boots, just because this area was a little bit chilly earlier. I got my gloves so I don't get my hands all buggered. Let's see what the temperature is in here. Holy jeez, look at that. Almost 70. What, 21 degrees Celsius? So it's pretty warm in here for November. So anyways, let me get everything set up here, and I will tell you guys exactly what we're doing with this quad, and we'll give you guys a refresh for those that don't know, and we'll go from there. So hopefully I have everything I need to fix it, and hopefully there's not going to be too much of me having to crawl around on the ground. It is what it is. Okay, maybe now you guys can see what I'm talking about. The issue I'm having is when you push the choke up, right, it hits that filter, which pops the fuel line and stuff off. And the other problem I was having is the fuel line that I have is, right, was too small to fit on the carb. None of the clips that I had would fit. So that's where I'm at today. I gotta take it off. Unfortunately, I gotta take all that off. And we'll see if we can get something to work where I can push the choke up and it not hit anything. So, and if we can get that done, then that should be fine. I think the next step on this thing will be to rebuild that or clean out the carb again, just because of the last time we were out, she was having issues with it. So I'm thinking it's probably just gunked up. So, whatever was in the old fuel system that's getting trapped now in that filter. So, but what I might do, if I can, is, yeah, I might move this filter closer to the petcock, and then I can bring the line out and in. If I can get a good clamp on this nipple right here, we are good to go. So I will let you guys know how it goes. Let me take that off first, and we'll give you guys an update. Okay, folks. Been just playing away here. I got this line on here, and it seems to be holding fuel, not leaking. So what I'm doing now is I'm building back the filter, and I'm going to put this filter right directly, if we can get in here and see here, where is it? Right there, that petcock nipple right at the top of your screen there, right there. Oh, right there. So I'm going to get that on there, and then we're going to run the line through, and we should have plenty of clearance for the choke. So hopefully it works. I can't wait to find out. Can't wait, guys. So I got lots of line just in case it doesn't. And again, shout out to the person that got me this stuff for Haley. We really appreciate it. So also, you should really change your number. There's been a lot of important documents coming in your name that have been just sent right back. So yeah, just letting you know. Anyways, I'm going to keep giving her. I only say that because I know people watch my channel. So alrighty. I just want to say, you know, this is such a beautiful day. Like, oh, I can't believe how... I gotta turn the fan up. I can't believe actually how warm it's getting. What are we at now? Let me check here. Oh, looks like it got a little bit chillier. Went down to about 60, 59, 60 there. But I don't know. It's, for some reason, it seems warmer in here, guys. So let me get into position here. I got a big mess to clean up, and I'm going to show you guys kind of the finished product here. Where was the original? Here. This is what was in there before. Came off the petcock and then went through, kind of in, right? And it was in the way. And to be honest with you, the big reason of it is because it didn't have any line. But I got, oh, this line here is perfect. I can't wait now to actually, I might pull the red quad out and maybe fix the fuel system in that here quick before it gets too cold. So, because if it's the same thing, I can just do that in the outside, out in the backyard. Anyways, let me get into position here and I'll show you guys how I rigged this up. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. This is my view. Hi, how you doing? So, yeah, anyways, as you can see, off the petcock into the filter, and then it goes around the corner there. Let me get the light up so you guys can see. There we go. And straight into the carb. Now the best part, if I can hold this phone properly, there we go, is that the choke doesn't hit nothing. It's clear as a daisy. Oh, sorry. And another awesome thing is it's not leaking. I was having a big issue with it leaking from here. Like the motor would get warm and it would start leaking. I put an undersized clamp on here, so it shouldn't do that. I apologize for the screen shaking. I'm using my bad arm, and well, I can't really work upside down like this. So yeah, it's starting to cut circulation off and stuff. Just bad health issues. That's why I'm on disability. So, but anyways, as you can see, we are good. I don't know what just dripped there, but it wasn't fuel. Anyways, let me get up out of here and we'll see if this thing will fire up now. It should. Remember last time it didn't want to start right because it kept screwing around with the choke and with the leaking of the fuel and all that. Well, now that that's fixed, we shouldn't have any more issues. Aside from that carb being, well, it needs to be clean. Look at it. Look how dirty it is. It needs to be clean. So, which I can do now because it's so easy to take that clamp off and take that hose off and replace it. Awesome. Good day. What a great day. Okay, we got everything all cleaned up here. Kind of started organizing over here. I think one of the videos I'm going to do is going to be, well, cleaning and organizing the shop. So I got lots of tools and stuff at the other shop and stuff from my grandpa's shop that I want to bring over and start setting stuff up much as we can. I got to go grab the ramps too. So for Haley, or for the quads. So yeah, lots of stuff. But I think tomorrow, if it's still nice like this, we're going to work on the Tahoe here. We're going to pull it out because we did get snow yesterday. I don't know when we're going to get snow again, so we're going to pull it out and I'm going to put the winter tires back on it. So, and also check some things. We'll check the runners and kind of talk about why it's been sitting here not getting done. So which is a shame, honestly, because this is the only thing holding me up in life right now. Is my exhaust getting done? So everything else is in order. So Scotty, buddy, if you're watching this, please get a hold of me. I talked to you about a month ago, and everything seems good. So yeah, I fucking love this thing. I hate the Tahoe, but I love it at the same time. All right, let me see if it'll fire up here. First things first, we'll flip that choke up. See how it's out of the way now? I got the key on. Fires right up. Oh, she is smoking though. I wonder what's wrong with it now. Sorry, folks. Let me turn that choke off and see what happens. Okay, she's firing up, running. I don't know why the exhaust is rattling like that. I never did that before. So I think she's dirty. Yeah, I think that carb's dirty. I have to take it off and clean it. But she's not leaking. Let me go grab the flashlight. Just while I got the fan going, kind of get the carbon emissions kind of moving around. So, and they'll settle to the ground usually, which will, because it's heavier than air, so it should dissipate. But holy crap, you can see how my yard is bent, is dropped. I don't know why but we leaking? No, yeah, you can see how dirty that carb is. So every run I gotta clean it, I guess. But she looks okay. Not leaking nothing. And we have full range with the choke. So, which is awesome. Cool. I love when a plan comes together. I love having a victory, guys. Man, oh, since I've gotten this quad, I better shut it down before I shut down. Holy jeez. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned out. But she's running really good. Not leaking. Which is huge. I can move the choke lever as I need. And it's not interfering with the line at all. Like I don't hit the choke and pop the fuel line off accidentally, or just it was just a bunch of dumb stuff. But like I was saying, since I got this thing, since day one, it's been fighting us. So, I don't know if you guys know or remember if I've ever filmed this quad before. I think maybe when it was Adam's and his daughter Haley's. I don't remember if I filmed it or not. But I did a bunch of work to this thing for him. Like he wanted different intakes on it and a whole bunch of other crap, just because he wanted it to go faster and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, I got it running really good with the stock stuff, stock settings, everything. It's like almost like it was engineered, right? It's almost like guys spent years in school learning how to engineer shit properly, and some hillbilly with an Edelbrock intake thinks they can make it go faster. Doesn't always work that way. Unfortunately, I wish we did. Kind of like with these Tahoes, how people talk about, like, well, with me, like I was gonna put an aluminum intake, a sheet metal intake on there, right? But the stock truck intake makes more power, right? Under NA conditions, like it makes more power. the Trailblazer SS looks like a bread box and it makes even more power. You know what I mean? And that's factory engineered parts. So with that, I think the next thing I'm going to do with this thing will be probably to clean the carburetor, which if the weather keeps up like this, maybe I'll do that on Saturday. So then when Haley comes home from her ma's, we can, maybe next weekend we can go for a ride. So, which would be really, really awesome. Go for one last ride of the season. I have not ridden this trike at all since I got the grips and since I powder coated the shift lever here. So, yeah, and that spot, that kind of bugs me, but I don't care. I think it looks really good. It still feels really good. Like I did a hell of a job on that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna do the foot pegs and everything else as well because they just bolt on. So, but I'm gonna probably do that all black. I'm thinking, unless you guys want me to do them yellow too, I'll do it all yellow. Doesn't matter. You guys are my bosses, right? So, but yeah, I haven't ridden it since I put the grips on it. So, and again, huge shout out to the person that got me them. I really appreciate it. It's been a game changer. So, same with Haley's quad now fixed. Oh, absolutely perfect. This thing here always is good. But if I do have fuel line issues ever, I've got everything I need. Right here, I've got this fuel line. And I've got all the clamps that I need to make it work. Plus, I got this stuff here if I ever want to use it. So, but I kind of want to keep this as much as I can for that guy there. Oops, sorry. Because I know it works with that guy, so I know it will work with the red one. So it may even work with this one. Who knows? But anyways, guys, this is too long of a clip. With that, I'm going to end the video. I got to go pick up my kids from school. I did it. I'm so stoked. Haley's quad, one step closer to being mint. I just have to take the carb off now and clean it, which literally ain't a big deal at all. Like I can do that tonight probably. Maybe, who knows, maybe you guys will get 2 videos tomorrow. Maybe I'll take that off tonight, clean it, and then tomorrow I'll do the tires, and then I'll do this I'll just put them all together. And then we'll see how that goes. So, because I'm really excited. So, anyways, guys, till next time, take care of yourselves. I love you. God bless. And remember, it takes 2 seconds just to reach out if you see somebody who's having an issue or anything like that. I know it's hard for people to talk about when they're going through hard times, stuff like that. Just especially us guys, because of how we're raised and genetically programmed, right? Or all that BS to, bottle stuff up. But let's be honest, it's not fun. So yeah, if you ever need to reach out to somebody, or if you see somebody that needs to reach out, don't be afraid. Like, don't be ashamed. You could save a life. You could take that 2 seconds. It could really change and complete somebody's life forever, like their aspect and everything. So trust me, I know. Anyways, with that, guys, take care of yourselves. Love you. God bless. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 8? Oh, I can't wait. This is so much fun. Love you guys.